All right, I have a project I'm interested in trying, but first I need to check out the product I would use. So I have this peel and stick wallpaper effect. This is going to be a backsplash type of concept, and let's see what it looks like. On the Amazon listing, they show this just as a decorative wall or an option for a backsplash. I see a lot of applications for it. And yeah, okay. So through the box, you're able to get a little impression of the texture and definitely, visually can get that peek. And it definitely has a nice first impression. Of course, you're going to notice that there is a continuous flow to it. You're not going to feel a seam or anything because of course this is really just an image on the front of this. There are not separate panels here. So the texture that you feel is the texture that is applied. I do like, it does seem very, very sturdy and it will interlock very well. I think, yeah, I like the overall impression. Of course, it's so much easier to see when it's up on a wall, right? But the seams are very sturdy. This is particularly a product that I have not used before. I have done different peel and stick backsplashes before, but not this kind of style. So very interested in seeing the application in use. All right, the installation instructions look very user-friendly, just what I'm after. Let's do this thing. Here is the finished result, and I think it turned out pretty well.